Moving away from ASI was kind of intimidating, but Bottle POS took care of everything for me. My name is Mitesh Patel. I'm the owner of Ridgewalk Bottle Shop here in Woodstock, Georgia. So we were using ASI when we first opened the store. We had it for about a year and a half. Because of ASI, I had to be in store at all times to check sales, manual data entry, and adjusting inventory. The primary challenge with the ASI was the lack of connectivity, so I wanted to go with something cloud-based. Moving away from ASI was kind of intimidating, but the team at Bottle POS took care of everything for me. So the difference between the onboarding is day and night. ASI had complex menus, F-key shortcuts that we had to memorize, but Bottle POS is more about visual navigation and touchscreen. Let's say my favorite feature is the inventory ranking. It really helps figure out what I need to sell off and get out of the store and keep the store inventory moving. The phone app actually shows everything we want to see on the app and the POS station. Unfortunately, with ASI, you had to see everything on the server. That kind of held me down when I wasn't in the store. I would have to come in here and counting the money took 30 minutes, but with Bottle POS, it's all in one report and we can just see what the cash is and count it, just one click of a button. With Bottle POS, the support system is very good. On the POS station, there's actually a phone number we can dial. Whether I'm here or not, a cashier or a manager can always call Bottle POS and get the assistance they need with the information that's on the screen. I would absolutely recommend Bottle POS to anyone. The Bottle POS team definitely handled the whole situation and made the conversion easy.